YouTube? It's been a long time. It's your boy Budget Gear Guru though, and I have a fuzz pedal here for you. And I think you're going to be really impressed with the sounds that I get out of this thing. Right now on Reverb, you can get it for 60 bucks. I looked it up last night. I got it in a trade. It's awesome. It's like a modified Big Muff, and dude, it slaps. So I'm going to get you some real high quality in the DAW samples right there, and then we'll look at it, and you know, because it's really a gorgeous thing, but it looks like it's just screen printed on the top of the pedal. Super sick. I love it. Let's get into it. This is the Kitsune. It's a Fox Spirit. It's by Anvil Effects, I believe is what I've found on the internet so far. It's supposed to be a foxy lady, Big Muff. It's got 3 mid control on the selector switch. You got a tone, a volume, and then the sustain knob right here. It says sussed, kind of sussed. This thing slaps. It's awesome. You can get all the way to like tearing apart stuff, sounding stuff, and then like big fat, like, you know, whatever, man. It's really cool. You can get your kind of traditional Big Muff sound out of it and go way further. So it's pretty awesome, and we're gonna listen to it. Okay, all right. So this is my favorite setting, with the mid switch to the left. It gives it some oomph, and also I don't know, it just you get a little good crackle. I've got the tone knob turned up kind of like, I don't know, 10 o'clock, something like that. It's pretty heavy. So here we go. This is your, I was on the middle there, started on the neck. This is your bridge pickup. As you can tell, the sustain is incredible. It's so good. Yeah, so that's cool. That's kind of like where I run it. Let's see how it cleans up on the volume. So it's like pretty much fuzz, man. So now I'm going to change the mid switch. This is the center position, which I assume is cut because it's pretty thin. It's almost metal. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Not them. Let's try neck. Still a whole buttload of sustain. So I'm gonna go to the other side. So that's all the way to the right. I think that's pretty big muff, you know, no mod big muff. So let's see if we can get some low, turn the fuzz down a little bit. Oh, let's do the tone knob. So this is as Velcro as you're gonna get here. This is the middle selection. No, it's got the mid cut and the tone knob's all the way up. The fuzz is all the way up. We're gonna go ahead and go to the bridge pickup here. Let's just cut our ears in half right now. Okay, so let's drag that knob back. I'm gonna put the mids back in and go unity tone. Now I'm gonna go down. All the way down. That is a dramatic tone cut. Just dramatic. Let's take it to about 9 o'clock there. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little short, but maybe I'll start making some more. I'm kind of off right now. I got plenty of time. If you enjoyed this, like and share and subscribe and buy this fuzz, man. It's only 60 bucks. Maybe we can blow up that price. I'm gonna go back to my favorite setting and then we'll play out, huh? Yeah, fuzz up. Yeah. That's what we like. Here she comes. Go to the neck and